me go so loco, loco, make me go crazy. We would make a beautiful baby. Knock on wood, is you trying to date me? Is it you?
Hey guys, welcome to another cute video of mine. If you're new to be, welcome. If you are already part of the family, I love you so much. In this video, this was a very unplanned video. I did not even intend on vlogging, but I intended on starting a new video on Tuesday, but I realized that video, it takes days, and I was a bit worried that I might only finish what I'm supposed to do in that video on a Saturday. And as we know, my uploading day is Sunday. I was a bit worried that if I only finish recording and doing everything on Saturday, I won't be able to upload it by Sunday. Understand? So I decided to vlog today so that I can put this one this Sunday, so that the vlog I'm about to start on Tuesday, even if it's done by Saturday, I know I have ample time to prepare for it and all that stuff. Please make sure you stay tuned for this vlog, because the one I'm talking about that I'm starting on Tuesday, something new. I don't think I've done something as deep as what I intend on doing. I don't know if it's going to work out though, so let me not say so much on it. Yeah, so welcome to a new vlog. I'm literally just going to be vlogging a few hours in my life, simply because it was unplanned. I'm just going to put whatever I intended on doing today together. Yeah, so today is Saturday 8th of April. So let's get into the video. So currently I broke my bank card accidentally, and there was a lot of fun taking place. It was lit. The card broke accidentally. I literally had to go and get a new card. So currently this is where we are going. I need to go collect the card. Besides that, I have a few parcels. So afterwards I'm going to get the parcels and we are going to unbox them together. Besides that, I haven't bought my groceries, so maybe we are also going to get just a few stuff, not much. Before I head out, let me just show you guys it's very simple, literally in slippers, but let me just show you guys my OOTD, then we head out. Okay, so this is what I'll be wearing. Firstly, I put sunglasses just because I want my hair to go back, but I think it's not working out. Yeah, so I literally just have this bodysuit and I put this checked, what do you call this again? The name has gone. What do you call this again? The name has gone. Okay, yeah, so anyway, I have a black bodysuit inside, this throw over on top, checked simple throw over. I'm wearing boyfriend jeans and I'm wearing slides. Yeah, simple slides without socks. I want to breathe today. I'm always wearing socks, so I just want to breathe. It's very simple. Yeah, so anyway, let's head out. See you guys at the bank. For now, let's go to the bank first. So hi guys, I've managed to buy everything that I wanted to buy. So hungry. The bank took a lot of time. I didn't expect them to take that long, and I haven't cooked, so I'm thinking of stopping by some place to eat, and honestly I don't have time for that. My hunger is I don't know what to eat, but one thing, if you have never been to Fizz Pizza, or if you have been to Fizz Pizza, please make sure you try this, especially if you haven't. This tastes good. Like, ish, this is a 10 out of 10 for me. Like, I love this. Every time I come, I literally have to pick it because I love it so much. I really like this a lot. Yeah, so I don't know what to pick. Oh, I think let me go for this. Yeah, I think I'll go for this as well as this. And what else should I pick? I don't know what exactly to pick. This is the same cheese stick that I'm recommending. Yeah, I don't want pizza. I don't feel like eating pizza, so I think that's safe. If I pick anything else, I'll let you guys know. Yeah.
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dead. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded.
Okay, so hi guys, I'm now back in my room. Yeah, so remember I said I was going to unbox some things with you guys. Yeah, so that's what I want to do. Oh, this is PKPA, my thesis, my graduation thesis. Guys, this is the key for my thesis. PKPA, for those that are doing civil engineering, I'm sure you know this. I don't know if other countries use it though, because China is weird, and I hear this has the Chinese software. Oh, then this, yeah, let me see. Firstly, these people have flagged because the material I wanted was not this. This is not what I ordered. Like, this is not what I ordered. Not even close. This is not what I got, but we'll work with it. The next thing I'll be unboxing is this thing's way, but glasses exactly like these, but I lost them when we went bowling last year. So, and I was so dashed the time I lost the glasses. I was so dashed. Yeah, if I wear them on, I'm sure you guys have an idea. I had glasses like this. Just go back one of the pictures. I think the farewell while I was escorting Nuyando, I think I wore glasses like this. Yeah, if you guys, there's a video that says farewell whatever. Oh my god, I look so scruffy. I can even feel it, and I don't like that. And at the time I was saying bye to him, and I wore shades like this, and I'm so happy that I actually have managed to replace it. I tried going back to the link, but I could not find them. Next parcel is this. Oh, a new phone case. Like, I think I have used the current phone case for a very long time, so I just decided to just spice up my phone a little bit, and I got this phone cover. Next parcel is this. I'm sure you guys are tired. Yeah, don't worry, the parcels are on. Oh, let me show you guys. Yeah, for the first time in my whole entire life, Melanie Hamakuni bought pumps. The last time I wore pumps was in high school. Like, I have not worn pumps from the time I started university. It even felt weird me buying pumps. Oh my god, is this? I now have pumps. These are literally the first pumps I'm ever buying from the time I started university. Oh yeah, then the last thing I'll be unboxing is this hair that I intend on doing next week. Today is Saturday, next week starts tomorrow, so I intend on doing this hair next week. So yeah, this is the hair. So that's all for today's unboxing. I hope you guys liked it. For now, I think I'll see you guys later, probably in the night. If not the night, tomorrow. I'll keep you guys posted, but for now, yeah, that's all.
That's why I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me now. That's why I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me now. That's why I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded.